I got my Google TV like a whole day early. I probably drifted out of frame there for a minute. Just trying to make sure that it points at the TV and me while I try to do the unboxing thing. Got my trusty multi-tool. Oh man. Couple of puppet videos and a Google TV comes to my door. Very large TV. Let's see here. I'll get the scraper knife. Woo! Lots of packaging, lots of styrofoam. Got here. It arrived a whole day early, which is wonderful. This is the 19th. It's supposed to show up on the 20th. I am not upset about it arriving early. This is the keypad for the TV. It's a full QWERTY keyboard. Designed for your thumbs for the TV. Some read this first instructions, that's good stuff. All the cables I will need for things. Batteries included for the remote. See, Sony and Google, they really think things through. More styrofoam stuff. That's all empty styrofoam. Of course, your standard manuals. I will probably read that. The TV itself. Lift it out for a moment. Whew. Big, heavy thing. Alright, this is obviously the stand for the TV. I'm definitely going to have to read through that booklet. Yes. Alright, that's pretty much the unboxing, I guess. I'll hit record again after I get it more set up. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright, I've got it set up and I just turned it on. You guys missed the little Google TV thing, the logo that popped up. I'm going to put the batteries in the control. Turned off one of the lights so I may be a little less easy to see. This is it starting up. Well, that's an impressive startup. Batteries in the remote. Press and hold function and enter until this screen disappears. So function and enter. Alright. There are some arrows on the control pad. I've got a focus for back there, so I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see. And it's just telling me that moving the arrows back and forth will change the way we'll navigate the display, obviously. There are optical finger sensors, which basically it's a mouse. It's a little mouse. That's pretty awesome. The purpose for this TV is home. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and reduce the startup time because I don't really want the extended startup time. You know what though? Second thought. Let's not have power consumption increased. Let's be eco-friendly, right? Take about 15 minutes and includes connecting to the internet, signing into your Google account, etc. I'm going to go for wireless right now. It does have provisions for an Ethernet cable. It's built right in, so you don't have to buy any special add-ons. That's really nice. I might run an Ethernet cable because wire is always faster than wireless. And if I get more bandwidth, that means I can get higher quality videos. Okay, how to fill. That's that. To look up the I've got packaging stuck to my feet. I have to look up the code. Obviously I don't apparently have it memorized. Alright, now I have to pop that code in. I won't tell you guys my code. I don't even remember my code. If I did, I might tell people. No, I wouldn't do that. As you can tell, I'm very excited and I'm rambling quite a bit. You will have to forgive me. Connecting to the internet. Connected to How to Fill. All right. How to Fill, howtofill.com. That's my one of my main websites right now. I post a lot of how-to videos. I will probably have tips and tricks for the Google TV now that I have one. It's going to do the system updates thing apparently for 10 to 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off the camera again real quick, and I'll catch you guys in a few. Okay, after the update's finished, it restarted and I had to do some of the configuration steps again. I like contributing to stats. It had me log in with my Google account. I'm going to automatically send my usage stats to Google. I don't see a reason why not. It wants my zip code. I'm in Kalamazoo. I don't have a cable satellite box. Go ahead and say I'm going to use over-the-air stuff. Okay, I should, I guess, hook up my digital antenna. There's a thing in the back for that. This will probably be part 2. I've already got 7 minutes for the other stuff. So, you know, I obviously don't want to... I guess I have 15-minute video slots now on YouTube. Thank you guys for sticking through the whole video if you're watching this whole time. That's awesome. Alright, so need to scan for stuff. I'll click on start. The little mouse that's built into this thing is actually really, really responsive. I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera again while it does this search because it says it can take up to 30 minutes. You guys don't need to wait for that. Alright, it finished scanning and it's already playing the audio for some of it. It's analyzing channel information. Let's see, set up TV service. Setup screens, a lot of setup screens in this. There's just going to go ahead and use the TV speakers because I don't have a cool stereo like some people. I will register later. I don't think I need to bring you guys through the registration process. That must be the one analog channel it found. Southern Fried Fitness. Still going through.
Keep the vampires away.
All right. Let's see. There's got to be a way to switch.
Quick, name 5 things you like about your job. Like, train for a career where you can help people, like medical assisting or medical billing and coding. Or how about an exciting career in ultrasound?
Ah, here we go.
Career, not just any job. Call Sanford.
I want to show you guys.
For a free brochure, call 877-217-3444. That's 877-217-3444.
Alright, wants to take me through a tour. Pausing the video again.
If you're in
Alright guys, I'm going to show you on this TV the video that won this TV, and that will be the end of my introduction to the Google TV set of videos. So it's the Hyperactive Puppets video here. See how long it takes to load it up. Go ahead and switch to full screen.
What is wrong with you? Look at the Google TV! Oh, what? The Google TV! It's a TV! I put YouTube and Pandora and everything! You know?
Bandwidth buffer.
YouTube? Yeah! Pandora? Yeah! Netflix? Yeah! Yay! 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 Nothing's wrong with you, Dad! Yay!
And that, my friends, is my Google TV. You got one more bonus here while I go back and hit the zombie puppet. You guys definitely need to check out PR Puppets. How to Phil.
Heart, no beat.
Catch you all later, okay?
Zombie puppet.